I said I was ready. I just did
Sue, I
that.
just asked you if you were ready. Okay.
I know.
Hey, Sue, how are you today?
Hey, Miss Kara.
You good?
Good.
Excellent. Okay, let's get to it. So I'm going to switch back and forth between my cameras here, but here we go. So we have studied one syllable base words, right? That are closed, open, silent E, or most recently, what was this kind of syllable?
Vowel T.
Yeah, absolutely. Very good. So today we're going to discover a new written syllable type. What will we discover?
A new written syllable type.
Awesome. So say candle.
Candle.
Where might you find a candle?
On a birthday cake,
Yeah,
or
absolutely.
maybe if you're having a fancy dinner,
Absolutely.
or a church
Perfect. You got it.
temple.
So you know what candle means. You know what that is. Excellent.
Yeah.
So candle, think about that and what you know about that, what that means. Is candle simple or complex? Hmm.
It's simple because a candle's just, yeah, it's simple. It's just one thing.
Yes, because it's
It's just a base.
just a base. Awesome. Good job. And remember that we use this fist card, or we show the fist. Yep, to show that. Okay, awesome. Very good. Now, when you say candle, how many syllables do you perceive in that word? Candle.
Candle. Two.
Awesome. I like how you used your world talking, keeping your lips closed. Awesome. Good job. So I want you to watch me. I'm going to put my screen back to this. I want you to watch me show you the syllables with the syllable squares. All right, here's our syllable squares. So we know it's a base, but the
Mm-hmm.
syllables are candle, right?
Uh-huh.
Candle. Good job. Now, the first syllable is can. Sounds like
Yeah.
can, right? Does
Yeah.
that mean like I would like to have a can of soup? Is that what that means?
No, candle and soup have nothing to do with each other.
Yeah, exactly. You told me this was a simple word, so it's not like a can you can dole. It's not like those
Mm-hmm.
compounds we've been studying, right? Good. It's
Mm-hmm.
just a base. Good job. So now let's try to find the phonemes in can. All right, I'll show you here. We've got k,
Ah.
ah. Good job. And
Hmm.
awesome. Um, what what kind of phoneme does every syllable have to have?
You have to have a vowel.
Uh-huh. Do I have a vowel here?
Yeah. Ah.
Yeah, good job. Absolutely. Now watch me show you the syllables in, sorry, the sounds in this syllable, which was dole. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ol. Let me use a different color. D, ol. Okay. Let me use yet another different color because I don't like how that one's not showing up. There we go. Okay. Now, where's the vowel in this syllable?
There isn't one. Thought there
Ah,
had to be.
yeah, because you said we agreed this was a two-syllable word, right? Candle.
Yeah.
Aha. So this is a good discovery, Sue. You just found something out about words
Hmm.
that have more than one syllable. In words with more than one syllable, there's one syllable that we say with a little more volume or a higher pitch in our voice, or a clear vowel sound that we can hear really well. That's called a stressed syllable. What's it called?
Stressed syllable.
Yeah, stressed. Okay, so candle. Which of those syllables do you think has the stress, has the clear vowel sound? Maybe I say it with a little
Candle.
more.
Well, it has to be that first one because I don't even hear it in a second.
Absolutely right. We don't even have a vowel sound here. So you're right. It's this one, candle, right? My mom
Yeah.
lit the candle. So watch as I push that one up. So I pushed it up a little bit to show that
Uh-huh.
one is the stressed one. Okay, very good. Um, the opposite of stressed is unstressed. Okay. So which syllable is unstressed in candle?
The second one,
Yeah,
gold.
the dole. Excellent. You got it. Very good. So now I want you to try some. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have your syllable squares?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, awesome. Ah, very good. Cool. So what I want you to do is we're going to try the word dimple. Like when she smiles, I can see her dimple. Can you say dimple?
Okay. Dimple.
Dimple. Okay, good. Is that a simple word?
Yes.
Yeah, just a base. Good. How many syllables?
Dimple. 2.
2 syllables. Nice. Show me which one is, or show me the syllables with your squares there.
Do you want me to start with my yellow one?
Sure.
Okay. D.
Oh, sorry,
Yeah.
sorry. My bad, my bad.
Other
Show
one?
me, show me the syllables. Like say
Oh,
them. Yeah. You told me there were 2, but what are they?
dimple. Like that.
Yeah. Awesome. You
Okay.
got it. Yep. Good. Now, okay, which one do you think is stressed? Remember the one that you say with a little bit higher pitch,
Yeah.
with a clear vowel sound?
Dimple. This one, dim.
Ah, the first one, dim. Good. And so I heard you go dimple. So you're right. That was a great way to figure that out. Another way to figure that out is something called getting the word in trouble. And so I have a dog, Sadie, and sometimes she does things she's not supposed to do. She gets in trouble, right? And when that happens, I say her name like this, Sadie, right? Sadie. So if my dog's
Yeah.
name was Dimple, I'd say Dimple. So that's another
New
way
weird name.
to hear. Do you hear that? Right? How dimple, right? It's a more force, more power, clear vowel sound. Good job. I don't say dimple or
Yeah.
Sadie, right? I say dimple and Sadie. Good job. Okay, awesome. Go ahead and put those back at home base.
Okay. Actually, I didn't use my sound circles yet.
That's okay.
Okay.
Let's do another one. How about, do you know what stumble means? If you stumble, what happens?
Yeah,
It's
you
like
on a rock or something.
Yeah,
You
you
don't
could
fall all the way to the ground, but you almost fall.
stumble. Excellent. Okay, good. So is stumble simple or complex?
Simple. It's just a base.
Uh-huh. And how many syllables?
I'm gonna do this one. Stumble. 2.
Nice job. I liked your earmuffs example there. And so now show me with your syllable squares, what are the syllables?
Okay, so stumble.
Yep, good job. Which one is stressed?
Stumble. The first one again.
Ah,
Stumble.
good.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Okay, awesome. Okay, very nice job. So you can put your thing back up again, and let's take a look at how these words are spelled. And we're going to discover something that's really important about them. Oops, I shouldn't have let go of this. These were our syllable or our sound circles for candle,
Candle?
right?
Okay.
Remember that? Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
good. And this was the stressed one, right? Candle.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now watch as I write the graphemes for these phonemes, right? We're used to this. You've done this quite a bit. So, k, a, n, c, a,
and
good job. And then
yeah.
watch.
Okay.
Dole. You ready?
Yeah.
D, L, E.
Oh,
Oh.
there's the vowel. We sure don't hear it.
Uh-huh. So in the syllable can, what grapheme did I use for the vowel sound a?
Hey,
Uh-huh. Now in dole, what vowel grapheme do you see?
there's an E, but we didn't hear it.
Exactly. And what do we do when we have an E that we don't hear, that doesn't actually
We
make a sound?
slash it. We put a line through
Yeah,
it.
girl. Awesome. Well, so why is it there? Why in the world do we have this E hanging out down there, you think?
Well, remember how we said if you have a syllable, you have to have a vowel.
Ah,
And I thought you had to have a vowel sound, but maybe sometimes it's not a very strong sound. You have to have a vowel in every syllable.
that is right. Every spoken syllable has a vowel sound. So every written syllable needs to have a vowel letter. Very
Wow.
good. Okay, awesome. So let me just rewrite this as a whole word down here for us. And I'm going to switcheroo my, I thought I was going to, oh yeah, there we are. Switch my color here for a second. Okay, so to code this word, if I didn't know what this word was,
Yeah.
what's my first step?
Spot and dot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yep.
well, actually, you taught me suffixes. Do I need to look for the suffixes first?
Actually, we will spot and
Like,
dot first.
okay,
Now you're right. Now we look for suffixes. You see any?
so ing and s and ed, we don't have any suffixes
You got
because
it.
we knew it was just a base. It's
That's
simple.
right. Yes, we did say that, didn't we? Good job. Okay, good. So I have nothing I can box, no suffixes to box. So
Yeah.
then I find my pattern and divide, right? We've done this a lot with our compounds. Now, here's what I want us to do, Sue. I want my brain to notice what's going on at the end of this word, okay? Specifically, this thing happening with the consonant and then an LE. Okay, there's something special. This is our new syllable type. It's called consonant LE. What's it called?
Consonant LE
Yeah, and how did I code it?
with a funny
That's
half
called a
box.
bracket. We'll call it a bracket. What is it called?
Bracket? I don't know that word. Bracket.
Yeah.
Okay,
Now you
bracket.
do. Good. A bracket. It's kind of like a dividing line, but then I also just put these top and a bottom on it. And then, because I know this is its own syllable, right? Dull.
Yeah.
What I do to the
Mm-hmm.
E?
You splashed it
Great.
because it's just not making a sound. It's silent.
Absolutely.
Pretty
You got
much,
it.
you know.
You got it. Yep. So I have this other syllable now I need to deal with over here. What do you notice? What kind of syllable is this?
Well, when you made that bracket, I said you have CAN and A saying ah, which is short, and
Yep.
that's closed.
You got
So
it.
when you put, yeah,
Very good. Okay. Got to code it with a brev because it's a closed syllable. Very good.
you've taught me
Okay.
a lot.
I know. I'm
a lot smarter than I was this summer.
I figured. Now, we also did a couple other words.
Dimple, yeah.
Right?
Oh, look at that.
Sorry.
There's that silent E again.
Yeah,
And
girl.
stumble. Oh,
Yeah.
I see the pattern. Consonant.
Yeah.
So DLE, PLE, BLE.
Yes, you got it.
Dimple.
These work the same way.
Stumble. Okay.
Yep.
So we need to, mm-hmm.
Spot and dot. Oh, I'm noticing something here. I want my eyes to see this right here. This consonant
Yeah.
LE. Consonant LE.
And slash the E
You got it.
because it's silent. Dimple.
You got it. And I love that you just said dimple like that because I also want to show. Remember how we talked about stressed and unstressed?
Yeah.
I pushed up the circle, the concept or the syllable square for can and candle. I make a mark like this. See that right there? I just did. It's like a, I don't know,
It looks like a
backwards.
slash, but we just do with the silent E though.
Yes, it does look like that. Okay,
But
but
it's
it's
not,
smaller.
okay.
Okay, and that's showing us that this is the stressed syllable. Okay, what kind of syllable is it?
Stressed.
Yep, exactly. And so what was this word again here?
Dimple. Dimple.
Dimple. Good. I like how you said it each part and then you said it fast. Here we've got spot and dot. Oh, consonant LE.
Consonant LE.
Yep.
Bracketed slash the E.
Yep.
And then UM, that's closed syllable. Yes. And stumble. Stumble. Oh, we stressed the first syllable.
Yes. Awesome. Very good. So we just discovered our new, oops, sorry,
There you go.
syllable type.
Oh, okay. BLE, DLE. Okay, that's our
Uh-huh.
consonant LE.
Consonant
So it'll always be a
LE.
consonant and then an LE.
You
And we
got it.
always divide. What if there's like in the bottom word, there's more than one consonant though? We don't
Doesn't
divide,
matter.
only consonant LE
That's right.
that
Just
goes in the
one
bracket.
consonant LE. Yes, you got it. Because that tells us that this would be pud, puddle. Oh, puddle.
Puddle.
Okay. See how I've
Yeah.
got them on this? These are on the same row as the one with the silent E, right? Our
Yeah.
vowel, one consonant, silent E. So same kind of thing. We got silent E on both of these. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So this is candle, dull. Can you say
Oh,
candle, dull?
candle, dole,
Bubble, bull.
bubble, bowl.
Dimple, pull.
Oh, dimple, pull.
You got it.
She's cute. I wish I had a dimple.
Yeah. All right. So let me share my screen and we'll highlight in our word detective notebook. Here's our consonant LE syllable type, right? So we'll highlight there. What do we see? We see a consonant
LE.
The E is silent. In the vowel sound, we're going to find out that the vowel sound depends on the syllable type that it is, okay? But today we studied what kind of vowel sounds?
They were all short.
Simple. Yeah, good, short. And we code it with a bracket.
Bracket.
And a slash of the E. Let's go ahead and put that in there. Okay. Are you ready to code some words?
I think so.
Let's see it.
Okay. You see that okay? It's not the best.
Yes.
Kinda.
Yes.
Okay. I've got consonant LE. That E is silent. Bracket. B, oops, you can't until it's a B. Bracket. BLE. Is a syllable is the consonant LE syllable always going to be the unstressed syllable?
Sure is. Yes.
So I always put an accent on the first one?
Yep.
Okay. Vowel. Code it with a breath. Rumble. Rumble.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Spot and dot. Oh, I see it again. Put my bracket. That one's silent. Accent that syllable. Vowel. Consonant. Put with the breath. Wobble. Wobble.
Great.
I need to do one more, right?
Yep,
3
do one
of
more,
them?
please. Uh-huh.
Okay. Spot and dot. There aren't any suffixes, but here's our new syllable type. So that E is silent. Consonant LE in a bracket. This syllable's stressed. Vowel, consonant. That's a closed syllable. So that's going to say I. Simple. Simple.
Mm-hmm.
Handle.
Say it fast.
Candle.
Good.
I think it just might help me if I at least do this much. Tremble. Tremble. Scramble.
Say it fast.
Huddle. Dimple. Ripple. Handle.
Good. Bottom up.
Handle. Ripple. Dimple. Huddle. Scramble. Tremble. Candle. simple,
Can you go, what was that one
wobble,
again?
simple,
Oh,
wobble, rumble.
thank you. I thought you said simple, but, and maybe you did. I couldn't,
My,
it's
my
hard.
microphone's not very good today.
Yeah, I know. Okay, let's do our RAND chart. You have yours in front of you?
Yeah, I've got mine too.
Awesome. Okay, good. Point, actually, look where I'm looking. Of course, if we were together, we'd both be looking at the same thing. So we'll just pretend doing that. Okay, this is bubble,
Bubble,
pimple,
pimple,
huddle,
huddle,
sample,
sample,
middle,
middle,
mumble.
mumble.
Start back at the beginning. Go right ahead.
Bubble, pimple, huddle, sample, middle,
Mumble.
mumble, huddle, sample, middle, mumble, bumble.
Bubble.
There, bubble,
Sorry.
dimple. I think you're having a hard time hearing me. I said dimple, but it's really, it's okay.
Yeah,
I'll hold
okay.
my camera fixed.
We can stop right there because we get it. We know how to do a RAND chart. Good job,
Yes.
Sue. Yes, and I cannot.
Quick correction, right, Miss Kara? If I
Quick
mess up.
correction when if I could hear you correctly,
Yeah.
then it would
Yeah.
help. Yes. Okay.
Sure, it does help.
Great job, Sue.
That was a lot.